fiasco. The Indigo management has given several clarifications to CNBC TV18. The company saying it did not disclose second quarter numbers due to listing guidelines. Not just that, of course, they're also giving out the timeline or the timetable for the delivery of those A320neo aircraft. One of them has been, I think, received by the company already in the last 24 hours. Sonia is joining in with the details. Sonia, the stock seems to be cheering what the management has said, but I mean, how critical is all of this? Do put it in perspective.
Oh, it's very important, the comments that came in from the management, Surbi. You know, the stock has fallen 40% from its all-time highs post the concerns that came in Q2. Just for the benefit of our viewers, the reason the stock fell is because the company did not disclose the Q2 numbers well in time. They disclosed it late and the Q2 numbers were very weak. So there were some corporate governance issues as well that cropped up. But today the company has allayed all those fears and said that the Q2 earnings late disclosure was a once-in-a-lifetime disclosure lapse. It will not repeat again. In fact, they have increased their transparency procedures since then, and they do mention that their profitability is strong, their structural cost advantages remain the same as well, and they want to assure shareholders that nothing has fundamentally changed in the business. Post that, you've seen a relief rally in the stock, but apart from that, things are improving on the fundamental front as well. As you rightly pointed out, today they received the first A320neo delivery. They will see the delivery of 3 more A320neos in this month itself, and they will see another 21 more delivered over the next 13 months. So that will take their total capacity to 24 new A320neos by the end of FY17. This will help them to grow their revenues and their capacities by 20 to 25% over the next 2 years. And they also mentioned that, you know, their focus is keenly only on profitability and on reducing costs, and that's why they have not gone ahead with that frequent flyer program that everyone was asking about. But let's listen into what the management had to say earlier this morning.
Our Q2 numbers we could not have disclosed just prior to the IPO because we were going off a prospectus of June 30th, and therefore we were kind of bound by the regulations that we could only come in and disclose it along with the 9-month results. And as you saw, the Q3 was our highest ever quarterly profit in the history of Indigo. There is a certain amount of seasonality in our business where Q3 is the best quarter of the year, followed by Q1, followed by Q4, and followed by Q2. We are going to actually get 3 airplanes, 3 A320neos in the month of March itself within this year. And then over the next 13 months, we have got 21 more coming. So therefore, by the end of fiscal 2017, we'll have 24 A320neos flying in our fleet. So that's about, give or take, 20% to 25% of our total capacity will be A320neos before the next fiscal year is out.
All right, let's take a quick break on that note. On the